Another really cool feature of ChatGPT is taking text and being able to create essay questions, multiple choice, fill in the blank, and true or false prompts, basically. So this is super handy for online teachers, in-person teachers, anyone who has a student base or a purpose to really create this type of content for their audience. So what I'm gonna do is take these two paragraphs about meditation. I like that topic, so I'm gonna paste this in, and actually at the beginning of this, we're gonna put our prompt. So let's go ahead and say, create 10 multiple choice questions regarding the information below. I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna go through and it's gonna read, of course, our text and pop out 10 questions. Now, the next cool thing you can do is now create the answer key for these questions. And it's just gonna pop out the answers that you now have as the teacher. So that would have taken many minutes to do this by hand, but this is a really cool way to save a lot of time. So of course we can do the same thing for true and false. So I'm gonna say, now create 3 true or false questions for the original text. So as you can see, it gave me the 3 true and false statements with the answers. Of course, you can ask it to not show the answers, or you can just remove it yourself. And then lastly, you can either do a fill in the blank or essay question. So now write 3 essay questions about the original text. So you can take this technique of generating these different types of questions to engage your students and your audience, and you can go down the rabbit hole of further expanding on certain points of the essay that you wrote or that you're using from online to create more detailed questions for your students.